Visibility is a property that selects a visible state of objects. There are three states: visible, hidden, and collapsed. Select visible to display an object. Select hidden to hide an object. The range of the object is retained. Select collapsed to minimize an object. The range of the object is also minimized. Use the collapsed property when placing an object on stack panel, dock panel, and uniform grid. Minimizing an object allows you to dynamically change a screen layout. Bind the visibility property with source property. Enter 0 for visible, 1 for hidden, and 2 for collapsed. This video describes how to use visible and collapsed. Use stack panel, that is one of the layout objects supporting collapsed. Two menu switches and their sub-menus are placed on stack panel. Select sub-menu and set the visibility property to hidden. The object is hidden with the range of sub-menu retained. Select sub-menu and set the visibility property to collapsed. The sub-menu is minimized, and the layout is dynamically changed as the space is collapsed. Next, let's control the visibility property with variables. Open the variables list and register a bool variable. Bind the created bool variable with the visibility property of the sub-menu. Next, bind the same bool variable with the menu 1 switch. After selecting toggle for operation, bind the same bool variable with the numeric display as well to see a state. Set the bool variable to 0 for visible of sub-menu and to 1 for hidden. As for the layout objects such as stack panel, a layout is dynamically changed with collapsed as basic use. So let's convert the value with converter. Open the converters list and register a range converter. To convert the bool value into a numeric value, change the source to Boolean and the result to data type of numeric. Set to when the bool value is false and 0 for the others. Add the created range converter to the already bound value 1 variable. Now, the sub-menu is minimized with the menu 1 switch, and the layout of the stack panel can be dynamically changed. Finally, here's a practical way to change the visibility property. If you use exclusive OR for operation of switches, you can switch between visible and collapsed without converter. If there are two propositions in exclusive OR, when you enter the same value, the value is 0, and when a different value, the value is that entered one. Using this property, you can switch between 0 and 2 by pushing the switch button. Open the variables list and register an into variable. Bind the created into variable to the visibility property of the sub-menu. Open the operation property of the menu 1 button, select word for type. exclusive of for operation, and 2 for input source. Then bind the created into variable, value1 with destination. Bind the value1 with the numeric display to see a state 2. You can now switch between visible and collapsed without converter.